Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at the Steelseries Rival gaming mouse. This is a very affordable gaming mouse that offers from 50 to 6500 CPI of adjustment. You've got a 1 millisecond response rate, which is 1000 Hz, up to 50 Gs of acceleration and 30 million clicks of durability. So it offers a really great package, and it also has a variety of other features as well, such as side buttons and also a DPI switch, which you can adjust for 2 different presets. Now it is a slightly longer mouse than what I've been used to before, and I found this to be quite a benefit to me where I have really big hands. Generally mice can feel a bit cramped on me sometimes, but this one fits really nice as it's slightly longer than what you generally see. So a bit more information on the side. This is an optical mouse over a laser, so it's a little bit different from what you generally see. You've got 30 million clicks, 1 millisecond response, 200 IPS, which is inches per second, and then there's the 50 grams of acceleration force. It's quite a light mouse as well. It weighs in just at 128 grams. Generally I'd find myself using a lot heavier mice, and maybe an option to consider in the future for an updated one would be to add a weight scheme, a little bit more weight, and have a little bit more adjustability with it. Another nice little feature as well, you can have a personalised nameplate on there. If you do 3D printing, you do get templates on the website that are available to download, and then you can make your own custom names, which is pretty cool, but something I wouldn't see myself using. This does work on PC and Mac as well, so if you want to do a little bit of gaming while you're out in the park on your MacBook, then you can do that easily. Now there's 6 programmable buttons as well that you can do any kind of combination. You can include macros, you can also do duplicates of key presses on one single click. There's such a range of different things you can do, and later on we'll show you the software behind that. On the box there's a little demonstration of the colours that are available to change on the actual mouse itself, but of course you can't put 16.8 million colours on a box, so they just show a few. Now I mentioned 2 zones of colour illumination with the 16.8 million colours. You can actually have one for a different program on the top, so if you want to use Battlefield say for red, and then you want to play different games such as say GTA 5, you can have that blue, so you can have kind of an idea of what profile you've selected, and then you've got the rear of the mouse, which is a totally different colour combination as well. So one thing I really did like is the fact that a lot of companies don't generally use CDs anymore. The ones that do should stop immediately, because you can always get the latest and greatest on the website, and this is indicated on the end of the USB socket, which is really good. Now looking at the mouse itself, it's got a very nice soft rubber grip. One thing I did find though is it attracts grease and fingerprints very easily, so just bear this in mind that you may need to clean it quite a bit, but it doesn't take a lot to get it off, but it's just a little slight inconvenience. You can see the Steelseries logo where you can customize your own color. The base of the mouse houses the section you can remove and install your own 3D printed template if you wish. There are 2 included, you'll see that in a minute. On the side of the mouse we've got a soft rubber side grip, and also the 2 buttons that are customizable to whatever you want to use. The scroll was very nice to use as well. It has got a soft mechanism on there to actually detect your scrolling motion. It's not just a smooth scroll, but it is very nice to use. It has a click inbuilt and also the color illumination. Then you've got the sensitivity switch behind that as well, which will allow you to choose between your 2 different sensitivity profiles. On the bottom we can see the optical sensor that the Rival uses, and there's also 4 soft pads as well for moving about on the surface. On the right hand side we've just got a soft grip panel, and here's the included extra you get to install in the bottom of the mouse if you wish. This is just the Steelseries branded nameplate that you can easily replace if you want to do so, or you can go to the website and download the 3D templates and create your own custom profile. This will be great for guys that do kind of, professional gaming or esports, but for me it's not something I could see myself using. Now the scroll wheel has illumination as well, and it's also adjustable for different profiles. And then on the rear we're going to give you a demonstration of what you can do with the colour lighting. I'm going to go through a couple of presets that I included. You've got different shifts. There's a very simple interface to use that you will see in a minute as well, to give you an idea of how you can operate it. It uses a really easy click and drag system as well, so you can get a nice colour without a lot of hassle. And then you do have the option to disable the illumination if you wish. This may be better for nighttime as well, so you don't have any distracting lights. And then at the tail end of the software you have got the breathing options. You can go from a slow to fast paced theme. You can customize this as you wish as well. So now we're looking at the Steelseries Engine 3. This is their custom software that allows you to control a load of different Steelseries products in one go. Here you can see the massive variety of options we've got for the illuminations. Just going through a few of them just to give you an idea of what you can do. It's currently on the breathing setting, and then you can choose the pace of that as well. Now here's a few of the options you can do for all the individual buttons on the mouse. Setting up multiple clicks if you wish for one press. This may be good for MMOs or anything like World of Warcraft, for example, where you require more than one click. Just speeds things up a little bit. And then you can also set the refresh rate and also how many clicks you actually want. On the right hand side we've got the sensitivity and also the acceleration deceleration options. You have got a big variety there to play with. Personally I didn't find myself using this for games, but there may be somebody that wants to use it. You've also got angle snapping as well if you wish to use that. Going on to the configuration, you can make your own presets. I found this really useful to give myself a setup for editing and then one for gaming as well. You can also select a source for this to automatically switch to when it detects it. So for example, using the exe of a game, it will automatically detect and then actually switch to that profile, which basically means you can do it on the fly and not have to adjust anything yourself. Now here's some footage that I took of me doing some sniping in GTA 5. Having the two options there was really good. I generally had one that's faster for running about and then one setting that was slower to actually snipe with, and then using the adjustment switch I could easily go between the two. And also with the one profile for running about and one for sniping, that'd be great for Battlefield. You can have a lot higher sensitivity for running about and then a lot softer setting as well for actual precision sniping. But this offers a massive range of features for a really great price. It kind of surprised me how much it was considering the amount of features on there. The fingerprint situation on the mouse isn't anything big, but it's a small minor niggle. But apart from that, it is a really good solid piece of kit. So if you're looking for any more information or looking to get yourself one of these, I will put all the relevant links down in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, and I will see you all next time.